Be ready? Start. International law is affected by the world becoming something bigger than the old narrow European community stuff. And as the Attorney General said, modern developments in science and the application of science in communications and in social structures affect our ways of life, international relationships, as well as individual and group relations, and hence the need for a new concept of international law stop. You have referred, Mr. Attorney General, to Panchsheel, the 5 principles which have been accepted by a number of countries of Asia and some countries outside Asia stop. I claim no special virtue for them stop. They are only some simple principles which, if adopted by nations in regard to international relationships, will not only lead us away from war but will establish healthy relationships stop. They are really simple and I do not see how anyone anywhere can object to any of them. The recognition of sovereignty, non-aggression, non-interference in internal affairs stop. When a country does not conform to these principles, it is misbehaving and interfering stop. It is not acting according to the real basis of international law, which consists of non-aggression, non-interference, recognition of sovereignty, mutual respect, all these leading up to peaceful coexistence stop. Peaceful coexistence means coexistence of countries which differ in their policies stop. There is no point in saying that two persons or two countries who agree should exist peacefully stop. They do stop. There is no point in my saying that I should be tolerant towards my neighbor if he and I have no reason to differ. Stanza. The question of my tolerating my neighbor and his tolerating me arises only when we differ stop. The question of peaceful coexistence therefore comes in only when countries differ in their policies, provided always that they do not interfere with each other either internally or externally stop. If they do, then that is a breach stop. Therefore, I submit that these 5 principles, which are sometimes called Panchsheel, are a healthy basis for international relations, and I would further say in all humility that there is no other basis unless you accept the basis which leads to conflict, which of course is not our objective stop. Surely, international law should not encourage any attempt to compel or coerce a country to do something against its will or to fall in line with something that will bring conflicts stop. There is great variety in this world stop. Are we going to produce uniformity through some measure of force, military or economic question mark? Perhaps it would be a good thing if there were uniformity in basic principles stop. But that can only develop by argument, by reason, by discussion, by conversation, conversion, stop. If uniformity should come about through force that is not desired, full stop, over.